Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize Bixby voice to make it your own voice using AI on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So it's pretty simple to do. First you need to go to the Bixby app, then go to the settings and go to language and voice style. And then in some languages, I don't know which ones, I've only saw it in the English United States. For example, in English United Kingdom it doesn't work. You can click on create custom voice. So if your language supports it, you can just click on that. Then it'll ask you to download the Bixby custom voice creator, so you can just click on download, and after it downloads, just click on recent and go back to the Bixby app. So now we can click on start. Who may have purchased an English bulldog tonight? And as you can see, I'm just repeating the phrases that are shown here. Am I crazy now, or did I see a rainbow earlier? Am I crazy now, or did I see a rainbow earlier? That jokes are what makes Father Day special every year. A gentle eye rub helps improve night vision. Any idea how fast you were running? That quick, pointy-eared beige fox jumped in the air over each thin dog on the ground. Everyone loves cat videos, even Thomas Edison. A wave of emotions comes over me when I listen to awesome music alone. No doubt I'm 100% on your team. The hungry purple dinosaur met the kind zingy fox, the jabbering crab, and the mad noisy whale. So they were quite difficult, but I've managed to do it. Then I'm gonna click on done, and now we need to just wait until it's being processed, all of that. So we should stay on the screen, not leave the app and not close the screen, and just wait until it processes everything, and after it's done I'll get back to you. And now it's processed, so I can click on go to settings. Now I can set it.
Hi, my name is Bixby.
And you can see it works. So let's try saying something like, what's the weather tomorrow?
Do you agree to provide location data to the weather channel to process requests?
Yeah. Okay, I need to click on
The
agree.
weather in Krakow tomorrow will have varying conditions of clear, cloudy, and precipitation.
So I think that it's not the best. Let's see if we can improve it. But I really doubt that we can improve it. Yeah. But maybe if I try better, then it'll be better, but it's not too good. You can try it out yourself, maybe it'll be better for you. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.